Hello, dear students. Very good morning. How are you? Dear student, today I am present in front of you with a new topic as you're watching on screen, prevention from sports injury. So dear student, you know that when we play any kinds of the game, then nobody remain that they will not get injury during the playing sports. So today the topic is prevention from sports injury. So how can we prevent us from the sports injuries? We can't 100% prevention, but we can minimize the sports injury by these all preventions. So today this topic you have to read about the few points here that we can minimize, we can prevent us from the sports injury. So they stand in games and sports. The 100% prevention is never possible, but it can be prevented or minimized by considering these prevention steps. Like first of all, you are watching proper warming up. So do you stand warming up is very important before any kinds of sports, any kinds of activities. So when we are playing any game, so it is a very important that we should perform the warming up before any games. So proper warming up, these are the two types: journal and specific warming up. Journal warming up is that warming up which included the journal exercise, bottom to top, top to bottom, the all joints movement. But specific warming up is special skills practice of the same game. So the two types of the warming up, journal and specific warming up, so is a must for the player before participating in any physical activity. It tone up body muscles and prepare the players psychologically, physiologically, psychologically, mentally, physically for the coming activity. So thus it prevent them from the accident or injury. So it is very important to perform warming up before playing any kinds of the games or activity. Second is student medical checkup before activity. So it is also very important that we should get the regular medical checkup before the activity. The player should be the properly medically checked up before the physical activity related to previous injury, disease, physical fitness level, etc. They must be fit to participate in activity. So before any kinds of playing any game, any activity, we should get the medical checkup. Next point, proper concentration. So proper concentration also very must. So player should play with full alertness and proper concentration over the activity. Player should not have any stress or tension. Moreover, must be mentally ready for the activity. Then we can prevent us from the sports injury. So it's also very important. Next, safety guards and check equipments. So before playing any games, players should check the sports equipments and their conditions. Players should also use good quality equipments along with safety guards. So players should wear the proper dress or kit along with the proper shoes according to surface as per the activities needs. All kinds of safety guard we have to need. All kinds of safety guard we should use during the playing, during the any game, playing any games. According to that games we should use the safety guards. So it is also very important for us to prevent us from the sports injuries. Next point, you are watching the screen. proper conditioning and proper skill. So regular conditioning and proper skills. So regular conditioning improve various abilities of players like proper skills action, develop specific physical components, strength, weak muscles and joints, etc. So we should also the use proper conditioning and proper skills before any playing any game, so we can also prevent us from the sports and injuries, prevention from the sports injuries. Next, sufficient physical fitness. For the activities of the physical education, players should have sufficient level of physical fitness. Thus players should develop them through the regular conditioning. So sufficient physical fitness is very important, so we should develop all kinds of the components of physical fitness like strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, coordination. So these all kinds of physical fitness component we should achieved by the different technique, different exercises. Next point is given here. Consider safety means. So we should also consider the all kinds of the safety means. So you know that players should consider safety means proper training equipments and sufficient free space around the play field while performing sports activities. Next, proper and safe environment. So safe environment prevent accident, whereas unsafe environment may cause the accident or injury. So when in which place we are playing, that place should be the proper and safe environment should be there, then we can also prevent us from the sports injury. Next, activity under expert observation. So players should participate in physical activity under the expert observation like coach, teachers, instructor, trainer, etc. So in front of the experts observation, we can also prevent us from the sports injuries. Next, good coaching skills. So good coaching skills help to improve the sport performance. Moreover, it prevent players from the accident or injury. So it is also very important the good coaching skills also we should take, and these can also prevent us from the sports injuries. Next, follow rules and regulation. So players should follow the rules regulation of activity with true speeds. So true spirit we can follow, we will follow the all kinds of rules regulation, then we can also prevent us from the sports injury. Next, consider sports ethics and sportsmanship. So players should also develop the consider the sport ethics, sportsmanship. It improve the social qualities of players, the friendly attitude of the player. So we should also follow the all consider the sport ethics and sportsmanship. Then we can also prevent us from the sports injury. Next, controlling aggression and violence. So players should control their aggression. Moreover, violence during the game should be prevented and checked. So we should not show aggression and violence and during the sports. Next, proper training methods. So players should follow the proper training method during the practice, whereas the over training or over exertion of muscles should be avoided during the training. So over is everything always harmful, so we should avoid the overextension or overtraining. Next, follow the training principles. So players should follow the training principles in a progressive manner. These principles help in the preventing accident and injuries. So all training principle when we follow, then we can also prevent us from the different sports injury. Next, for balanced diet and good posture. So players should take the balanced diet according to activity needs. Moreover, they should maintain the good posture. So good posture and balanced diet is also very important for the any kinds of playing any kinds of activity. They can also prevent us from the sports injury. Next, knowledge of health, education, and first aid. So players should have the sufficient knowledge about the health education and healthy habits. Moreover, they should be practically trained in the give first aid in injured player. Next, training regarding safe escape. So players should be well trained and guided properly regarding the safe escapes from the disaster or accident, like line movement, knowledge about the using fire extinguisher, disaster management technique, helping the drawing persons, etc. So these all kinds of these all steps when we follow properly before during the game, uh, then we can also prevent us from the sports injuries, and we can also minimize the sports injuries during the game. So I think that dear student, you have understood about these all points. Then these all points we can prevent us from the sports injury. So this topic has been completed. Now we will soon meet with new topic. So whatever topics daily basis I am teaching to you, so you have to revise everything. So you have to make notes, and regular you have to do also the physical exercise also. Okay, thank you. We will meet soon with next topic with next ppt. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.